What's the deal? You too, baby. You already know you got your girl Naria in the cut. So many people been asking me to upload, and I just been procrastinating because like I was so unsure. Like I already know what I wanted to post about, but I was just so unsure. Like if I want to keep it going, should I stop YouTube or do this or do that? And so like people just been asking me to upload, but you already know your girl is coming back, and I'm coming back better. See, right now, I know you wondering, like, why she in the car by herself? You know why? Because I'm finna prank my mother. Okay? So y'all already know when y'all mama be telling y'all to do something, y'all just be like, oh, and you just be like, oh. And I know I gotta do it. But my mama, she real cool. She funny. My mama can be funny at times. Trust me, my mama is funny. If y'all haven't seen the last prank, y'all should go watch it because she funny. Let me tell you about that. When I said that I lost my mama keys, my mama was trying to beat me half to death. But you know, I survived. Because you know why? This Nari Nation, baby. This Nari Nation. So, y'all already know this video I'm going to put on the back of the car. And I'm going to say, honk for better days. Honk for better days. Okay, so when people honk, I'm trying to get my mom a reaction. But I'm basically trying to get her to get, like, aggravated. Because right now, she ain't got the boys. She ain't got nothing. It's just gonna be me and her. I just want her to get, and I'm gonna just be acting like I'm vlogging, like, Mom, like, what's going on? Like, why people honking at you? Mom, why people honking? Mom, now I know you a bad driver now. You got so many people honking at you, but y'all already know we're gonna get into the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and more coming to y'all. Y'all already know, cause y'all dealing with a real true hitter. Team Leo, y'all already know Leo do it big any days, and I appreciate everybody who coming in on my thing. I appreciate y'all subscribers. I got more coming to y'all. Y'all got more to come to. So let's get into the video. Alright, so what's the deal, YouTube? Y'all already know. So like today, I'ma just be telling y'all why I haven't been posting. I'm sorry about the camera shaking.
What's up, YouTubers?
Y'all see how she be trying to match with me? She be trying to match.
I had mine first.
But I had put on my shirt first, but then she trying to match with me. She be trying to match. But like the reason I haven't been posting on YouTube because like I was so unsure if I should like keep YouTube going or like should I stay? And I'm sorry about the background noise because like my mom be driving with the windows down, so you really can't be hearing me like that. But I've just been so undecided on like where I was going, like I was saying, I was just unsure. But like a lot of people say I should keep YouTube going because like I have the energy and stuff, and my mom just been promoting me to like do YouTube and stuff. So like that's why I haven't been. But yeah. Right now we just driving in the car, as I can see. But about the other YouTube video, the YouTube prank that we had about it, my mom, she almost beat me to death, y'all. She almost beat me to death, and I didn't know what was going on. Like I just ain't know. Like I didn't know what was going on. Like my mom is so funny, y'all. She's so funny. So y'all have to excuse me. But yeah.
That wasn't funny to me. I was my million and five things went in my mind.
But yeah.
You don't play by no woman's head, child.
Nari Nation. Y'all already know. We doing it big. We doing it big. But yeah, y'all really try to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. And let's get. But yeah, I really don't know what to say, but like, it's been a while since. It's been a while since like I've been talking. No, I'm not digging my nose. But it's hot in here. So I'm just wait. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. Alright y'all, so my prank did not go successfully. Somebody had told my mama. That I put it on the back of her car. So my prank did not go successfully. And I feel so disappointed. But you already know, Nari Nation, we're not gonna stop. We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it going.
Put that sign on my girl.
We gonna keep it going. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. And we coming back with bangers.